Hey there, fellow traders and finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to open a Tradestation account in 2025. If you're into trading stocks, options, futures, or crypto, Tradestation is a powerhouse platform with advanced tools and real-time data. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, getting set up is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step right now. First things first, fire up your browser and head to the official Tradestation website at tradestation.com. It's your gateway to everything. Once you're there, look for the prominent Open an Account button. It's usually front and center on the homepage. Click that, and you'll be prompted to select the type of account that suits you best, like an individual brokerage, IRA, or even a corporate account. Next, it's time to fill out the application form. You'll need to enter your personal details, including your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and employment information. Don't worry, it's all secure and encrypted. After submitting that, prepare for the identity verification step. This is standard for financial accounts. In 2025, you might need to upload a government-issued ID or go through a quick video verification process to comply with regulations. Once that's approved, which usually takes just a few minutes to a couple of days, you'll fund your account. Link your bank account, transfer from another brokerage, or even use a debit card to get started. Boom! You're in. Now, explore the dashboard, customize your settings, and start practicing with paper trading if you're new. One quick tip. Always double-check the latest Tradestation policies, as things can evolve with tech updates. If you run into any hiccups, their customer support is top-notch. Reach out via chat or phone. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Let's conquer the markets together. See you in the next video.